So chances are you've got some extra time to read books these days, but there's nothing worse than losing your page. This Kansas City mama, Andrea Krasnow, shares how to use a paperclip, and it can save the day with this DIY bookmark project.
You're going to need some beads. Just make sure that they're kind of a lightweight bead. You're going to need jumbo paper clips. You're going to need embroidery floss, some scissors, and a needle. So first off, you're going to cut a piece that is whatever length you want it to be that you're going to kind of work with. And once you've snipped it, you're going to loop it so that you have an open-ended loop. So take your two pieces and thread them through your needle, leaving open your loop. And you're going to take this and you're going to go ahead and run it through your paper clip. Now make sure that you're using the end of the paper clip that you don't clip to your pages. Go ahead and take your loop and run it through the top, run your needle through the loop and pull tight. And as you can see, you've now secured this to the end loop of your paper clip. Now with the needle, you're going to go ahead and run it through your bead. So now you have threaded your two beads onto the end, and it's time to make your tassel. To make a tassel, you're going to lay the embroidery floss just across the fingers of your hand. You're going to use all four, and you're going to leave the tail at the end of your pinky. And you're going to wrap your embroidery floss all the way around your fingers. And you're going to want to do anywhere between 15 and 20 loops. You're going to take the end of your embroidery floss and you're going to snip, just like that. Now, take your embroidery floss off and leave it like this so that you have loops on each end. Bring it down to your paper clip and you can take your needle off at this point. Open up your two pieces of embroidery floss and lay your loop in between. Just simply knot around your loop. Go ahead and leave the long piece, that's fine. And then take another piece of your embroidery floss. You're going to close your tassel like so. Take this extra and bring it around, knot off at the top. Now, if you can see where that little piece was, start wrapping as many times as you want. And then you're going to snip off what you've been wrapping. Because you've already knotted everything, you just really want to tuck this loose end up into what you've already wrapped from underneath. All right. Now, with your tassel, take your scissors, snip open all the loops, and then go in and just trim up everything you worked on. And there you go. You have a cute little bookmark. And all you have to do is just take your bookmark, find your page, you stick it in, and voila.
Well, that paperclip is genius. The beads and tassel give it a little bit more flair.